So there are two ways that people could have reacted yesterday. They could have reacted emotionally and freaked out and dumped their bags, or you could have taken advantage of the opportunity that was given to you. I took advantage of the opportunity that was given to us. I opened up a bunch of long positions, and guess what? The market has bounced back to the highest point in the last 36 hours. And this is a very good sign for ADA. And in fact, right now we're pushing some trends going into what could be some good news for the crypto market. And it does begin today. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So just watching this ADA candle this morning, we're actually pushing our 50-day moving average. So this is a very good sign. This is a very nice bounce back for ADA. I would have liked it to not have gotten down to our 100-day moving average, but guys, this was a very strong show of support. This isn't even our lowest price we experienced in January, so this is a great sign. And really what we had from the market was a huge overreaction to this Deepseek news. I don't think people realize, guys, this is restricted to just mainland China. It's a very small test. And of course, we saw NVIDIA bleed almost $600 billion in market cap, but really $787 billion was wiped out of the stock market alone. And of course, this drug everything down. This made people freak out. But then when people finally started realizing like, oh, hey, this isn't really that big of a deal, at least not right now, we bounced back in a big way. And obviously we can see what ADA did, right? From this bottom all the way up to almost 97 cents this morning, ADA bounced back 13%. In fact, it was one of the best bounce backs here in terms of the blue chip assets. You guys can see up about 8.39%. This was up about 10% a little bit earlier. We're getting a little bit of profit taking here, and that's not surprising. I mean, some of my position to open, I mean, you can see just a sea of green here. The H-bar long, I opened up 74%. The SHIB long, about 18%. This ADA long, 79%. I opened up a couple on Margix as well. Obviously, the one I've had open for a while, 197%. And you guys get the point. It's just a sea of green. I have a few more that I opened up on another platform as well. So again, if you guys do want to check out BTCC or Margix, feel free to check those out. There are referral links in the description below. You guys can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC. So again, when we get these opportunities in the market, when people are reacting in a very, we'll call it not smart way, that is when you can take advantage. That is when you can open up more positions at discounts. And again, people can always do what they want, but those were your two options yesterday. Now, understand this. We have some very potentially exciting things happening this week in the crypto market. First of all, FOMC meeting begins today. We're not going to get any news on this until tomorrow. We're not going to get any insights until that point. We know we're not going to get an interest rate decrease, but it is potentially where we could see a major shift in terms of policy moving forward. All right. We want to hear the sentiment from Jerome Powell. Do they think things are getting back in line with where they need to be? And are we moving towards quantitative easing? Because that is historically a moment where the market can open up in a much bigger way. That is where assets like, for example, ADA and many of these other altcoins in the space, they start to do quite well. Now, obviously, we don't know what we're going to get. This isn't a guarantee or anything like that. And we have to remember as well that tomorrow we have the conclusion of voting for the Plowman hard fork. So some very exciting signs. Now, what I would watch here and what I do need to let people know about is, historically speaking, every single one of these hard forks that we've had in the Cardano ecosystem has been a sell the news event. Now, it's possible that we got our sell the news event out of the way right here, because again, it got down to its lowest point, or not lowest point, second lowest point of January. And we showed massive support here. So if we can flip and actually start to get a little momentum here, we may actually see speculators pile on top of this and start to push ADA price to the upside. Now, BTC showing a lot of strength here as well, although it did go down and test its 50-day moving average and its trend here, guys. This was a perfect throwback and rebound. And what we actually saw here was us bounce basically off this 50-day moving average. We're kind of cementing a green candle to at least start the day. And what we're seeing here as well is ADA really showing a lot of strength versus BTC. So there's a lot of things to love from the crypto market right now. Honestly, things that I don't love, I wish that we would have just a little bit more volume. Yesterday did spark some buying across the crypto market, again, up to $150 billion in daily trading volume. Obviously, ADA still floating about around $1 billion. So we've cooled down a little bit in terms of volume, not much. But again, this is exactly what the crypto market needs to see. I don't know why I clicked on ETH. to start making some moves to the upside. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Although yesterday caused some people to freak out, this is why you laugh in the face of panic. You take advantage of opportunities when they are there. Understand that from the day before, nothing has really changed. We just got into some of those long leverage liquidations, and now that we bounce back in a big way, we may be prepped to start making a little bit higher high. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.